Hi, I'm Kelaine Vargas of Urban Ecos, and I'm here to present the San Diego County Tree Map at SanDiegoCountyTreeMap.org. Since the beginning of time, trees have been our constant companions, providing us with shelter, with food, with wood for building and fire, and of course with great beauty. In the modern urban era, their contributions go even farther, helping us solve some of our greatest environmental problems. They help clean our air, water, help sequester greenhouse gases from the atmosphere, and help us conserve our ever-scarcer energy resources. The San Diego County Tree Map celebrates all of these contributions and engages the public in helping us to build a better picture of what's out there, so we can plan for an even greater future.
So let's explore. The foundation of the San Diego County Tree Map is the Street Tree Database of the City of San Diego, which includes general information about tree type and size, and has more than 200,000 trees in it. We're also including information from about 12 other cities in the county, bringing the total number of trees on the map over 300,000. Those trees are currently providing the people of the area with an estimated $5.7 million in benefits, which we've broken down into the 4 components that I mentioned earlier: greenhouse gases, stormwater management, energy conservation, and air quality improvement. There are all kinds of ways to explore the trees around you using the map. I'll show you a few. Let's search first by species and consider an iconic San Diego tree, the Torrey pine. One of the rarest pine trees in the world, its native range consists only of the coastal area of San Diego County, and at the turn of the 20th century, it was thought that only 100 remained. The map currently shows 419 Torrey pines in the area, but remember, what we're showing here is street tree data, and there are certainly more of them out there. We hope you'll go look for your own and add them to the map. I'll show you how in just a second. But for now, we can click on a particular tree and view its individual details, including the environmental benefits that it's providing. In addition to species, there are all sorts of other features you can choose. Let's imagine it's lunch, and you're hungry and want to find a tree near you. Right now, I'm in the 3100 block of Elm Street, so I'll search for edible trees near there. Zoom out a little bit, and within 2 blocks, I find an avocado. Maybe you'd like to search for the biggest, oldest trees in your neighborhood. You can adjust the trunk diameter slide bar so that it captures everything greater than, say, 3 feet in diameter. Enter the name of your neighborhood, and click search. In Mountain View, there are 6 trees this big. Let's zoom out and see where they are. I'll click on the one in the southeast corner for more information. It's a eucalyptus with a 40-inch diameter trunk. You'll notice that there are several missing pieces of information on this page. And although this information would be very valuable to urban forest managers and scientists when planning for the future, collecting it can be very expensive. We hope you'll help. Once you've created an account and logged in, you can edit the information on any tree by clicking the Edit Tree tab. For instance, when this tree was added to the database, there wasn't specific information about exactly what species it was, so I can go and add that and indicate that it was Eucalyptus cladocalyx. I can add the tree height, and I can indicate what size the space is that the tree is planted in this case, a really small one. Let's talk about adding trees to the map. It's estimated that the street trees we're currently showing probably represent only about 10% of the total urban forest of San Diego. We don't have any information about trees on private property, and we don't have any data about park trees. Your help in adding trees to the map would be of great value for future management. I'll show you how. To get started, click the Add a Tree button in the top right of any screen. First, you'll need to locate your tree. I'm going to enter the name of the park where my tree is planted, but you could of course add a street address or an intersection too. When you click Show on Map, it zooms in and an orange dot appears. I'll click that orange circle and drag it to sit on top of the tree. Next, let's add the species name. I can enter the common name or the scientific name, and after you type a few letters, a drop-down menu appears to make spelling easier. I'll enter the trunk size, 14 inches in diameter. You can enter a circumference too, and we'll do the math. The tree height, and I'll indicate what kind of planting space the tree is planted in. In this case, it's an island in the middle of the parking lot. That's enough for now, so I'll click Add this tree. That brings us to a page that shows all the trees I've added in the last 24 hours. I'll click on the olive to see how it looks. I can also add photographs. Just click the Add Photos button, enter a name for the picture, browse to the place where the picture is saved on your computer, and submit the photo. You can add as many pictures as you'd like. There's lots more to explore on the tree map, and we hope you'll enjoy. The San Diego County Tree Map was built by Urban Ecos, and we're grateful to the California Center for Sustainable Energy for their support, and to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection for funding under Prop 84. The tree map is an open source project, so if you're interested in the software code or you'd like to collaborate, just drop us a line via the website.